Right off the bat, I hear the red-eyed vireo singing overhead. I hear a worm-eating warbler right over there to my right. I hear a mourning dove. That's an ovenbird. And so far, everything but that red-eyed vireo has been outside at 50 meters. There's a second red-eyed vireo singing from way off in the distance over there. It's a red-shouldered hawk. It's a brown-headed cowbird overhead. So that bird likely just flew in. There's an eastern wood pewee singing from way back there. So it's outside of 50. It's a tufted titmouse outside of 50. There are two of them calling back and forth. Each one of us has our own GPS with our own unique points that I've randomly selected and then distributed to our techs. It basically has, for me, 500 points that I have the next 6 weeks to visit, as many as I possibly can. In the average season, I'll get between 300 and 500 points, depending upon if they are easily accessible roadside counts or truly off-road points that we have to bushwhack to get to. And so we have a little over 8,000 of these points that we randomly distributed within the state. And then the game plan is, over the course of the 5-year fieldwork period of the Atlas, we will visit as many of these points as we possibly can. Yep, so male scarlet tanager, jet black wings, bright red body. Hanging out on the top of the pine. Right in the sunlight, where every bird wants to be on a cold morning.